Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So every year I have this massive beauty bay haul and I just spend a lot of money on it, and then it kind of lasts me for a whole year. So I've not had to do one for a year and I was running low on everything. And also I missed every single advent calendar that I wanted. I wanted a glossy box advent calendar, I missed that. The only advent calendar I managed to get was the Asos advent calendar. I did get in the end. So here, let me show you the big box I got. Right, and it's huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. Right, okay, so this is the glimpse for you of all the bits I got. It's like a big box, and there's bits in here which are quite cheap, and there's bits in here which are quite pricey as well, including like the Jeffree Star as well. So this is my present for Christmas from me to me. Let's just start with whatever I see first, I guess, in this box. So the first thing I got was this Ico eyeliner and mascara, and I think that's the first time I actually bought like a sort of like a high-end brand eyeliner, and I put it on today actually because I couldn't wait to put it on. Some of the stuff I bought I already have on, so that's what it looks like. It was amazing. I mean, I always buy my eyeliners for like £3 from Superdrug, and I just end up with like chunky eyeliners on the side. And this was amazing. Like literally I could not recommend this enough. If you add eyeliner to your makeup quite a lot, I could not recommend this enough, just purely for the eyeliner. I'm not a big fan of the mascara. I like mascara from L'Oreal. I've stuck to it for years, but the eyeliner is absolutely amazing. I could not recommend this enough. Now I got two. Okay, and that's what I have on as well. So right, this is the Beauty Bay own brand crystal eyeshadow, and I got it in champagne and I think something copper. I'll put it underneath what the actual shades are. So let me open them. One I already have on my eyes. I think I got it with like perks. You get perks if you spend too much money. So I got it for like £3 for two. The one I have on my eyes is the Champagne Pirate. So champagne colour. It's called Pirate. Pirate is pyrite, but pirate. And that's what it looks like. It glides on really smooth. I've never bought like really expensive crystal eyeshadow. I've only bought cheap one. So this is literally the most expensive one I own. And I don't think I need anything else. So I'm really happy for these two. So to try them out. Okay, and the next thing, let's show you the next thing. Okay, and this is a sleeping mask. I got quite a few masks in, there's both quite a few masks in my haul, in my own advent calendar and in the Asos advent calendar. I think there's two at least. But this one is a sleeping mask. This will go into my collection. Not tried it yet, so I can't really comment. But I always try to incorporate masks into my hauls because I really like them and they make me happy. It's just something little to just like treat yourself and soothe yourself. Speaking of masks, there's another mask I got and I'm really excited to try this one because it's a glitter mask. I don't know if you can see. Okay, it's glaring, but okay, so this is, it's glitter and it's pinky. Let me show you. So it's kind of like, yeah, you just put it on and wait for it to dry and you can just peel it off. So it's a peely mask. Now I've got it all over my fingers. But yeah, what I like about it is that it's glittery, so very girly. Yeah, I think it'd be nice for like a sleepover with your imaginary friends because lockdown. So okay, the next thing, let's do all the masks first and then I'll move on to like skincare stuff. So another mask, this one I got for free. This one came in because you spent so much money, you're such a mug, we're giving you this mask for free. And it's a green tea and walnut exfoliating face mask, again from Revolution. So I've got quite a collection of Revolution masks now. I quite like Revolution skincare. I like it better than I like their makeup. There's only a few items from Revolution I like, but yeah, let's see if their skincare is gonna be better. So yeah, that's the exfoliating mask, and I like how it's quite nice and sturdy, so that will last me for like at least 5 masks I could do. And another mask I got, I was excited for this one because this one has got oats in, and I know that oats are good for like soothing and calming and tightening your skin. So look at me talking about skincare. Oh my god, like I should be on QVC, shouldn't I? Okay, but yeah, so this one has got oats in, and that's the only reason why I got it. It's cocoa and oat mask. And again, it's quite nice and big size, so this will big size, this will last me for at least 4 or 5 masks. So I'm excited for that. It's the season to do masks, like mask on top of mask on top of mask on top of mask, so that you can go through every mask that you own before Christmas. Okay, so I think we're done with the masks for now. Right, the next thing would be the skincare section. And the first one is the natural moisturizing factors from Ordinary. Right, it's so glary. So yeah, it's just basically a moisturizer. I've already tried it on, and I know that it comes with the Asos advent calendar, so I'm gonna get 2. But it's really good, actually. I think this moisturizer is better than the Estee Lauder cream, but that's my opinion. This just like, I know a lot of people would disagree, but I like this stuff better than I like the high-end expensive brands. So yeah, and I also wanted to try the caffeine solution. This you put underneath your eyes to get rid of puffiness, get rid of dark circles. I've not tried it before, but I'm excited for it because I know it's from Ordinary and I know it's going to be good. So it's a caffeine solution with some okay, I don't know what else is, but at least they put the ingredients on there. I think there's more products now for under eye circles, but there never used to be in my day, back in the Stone Age. But now there's loads of like caffeine solutions and brightening creams and things like that, so I'll be looking forward to trying this underneath my eyes for my dark circles. And the next thing, I was gonna get this from The Ordinary, but they didn't have it. But Revolution Skincare had it, and it's niacinamide or niacinamide, I don't know, wherever way you wanna say it, and zinc. And The Ordinary have exactly the same name for it, so 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc, but they were out of stock. So this is good for like as a serum, I would say. It just kind of, I don't know, when I used it, just made the skin shiny and tightened sort of thing. So yeah, I like to put that on every other day, maybe after my toner or something like that, or like in the morning. So it's good for something. I don't know what exactly it's for, but it made my skin kind of like shinier and tighter. You make of that what you want. Okay, and the next thing I got, again, I was going to get the glycolic acid from The Ordinary, but it was out of stock, so I ended up getting this. This is the Beauty Bay own brand. Right, let me show you. Exfoliating toner, and I think it's got exactly the same kind of ingredients you would be looking for if you were looking for glycolic acid toner. It's got glycolic acid, blah 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 blah, other things in there, but it's got AHA and PHA. I have no idea. AHA, I think that's the glycolic acid. PHA, no idea. Basically, it's good for exfoliating your skin. So I've run out of glycolic acid, so this is going to be my glycolic acid replacement that will last me for another year. And the last one, oh my god, another one from the Revolution Skincare, and that is the peeling solution. Wow, that is heavy duty stuff out there. So it's supposed to, it's like really strong glycolic acid that you put on your face, and you wait for 10 minutes and you take this face off with the mask, so that then you can grow the new face after. That's the way I imagine this would happen. But basically, yeah, so it's like a really strong exfoliator that you put on your face. You don't leave it on, you wash it off, and half your face falls off with the mask. I can't stop saying it. Basically, like, it exfoliates your skin really well. So I'll be trying that out. Okay, so anyway, now we're coming up to like the most kind of like, if it was an advent calendar, this would be like the most exciting doors in the advent calendar. And the first one was this Jeffree Star red mini palette. I am so excited for this. I love my lipsticks. You know, a lot of people were asking me when I wear the red lipstick, what brand it's from. It's from Jeffree Star, and the shade is Red Rum. So this is the shade, but I have, this is the mini, but I have the full size of it as well, so it came in the mini as well. But look, it comes with like a couple of nudes, there is a couple of reds, a dark red and bright red and bright pink, so it's quite a collection. You get what, eight mini shades. And considering I don't really wear red lipstick that often, or lipstick or anything that often, this would last me for years. I know it's expensive, like £46 I think I paid, but it will definitely last me for a while. It's a nice present from myself to myself. Thank you very much, Anna. Apart from the lipstick I wear now, which is Barry M for £3, this is my favorite lipstick of all time. Apart from that, the best lipsticks are from Jeffree Star, 100%. Like, they stay on, they are really nice colors. Okay, and the last thing was Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Okay, I already have a Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in Modern Renaissance or Renaissance, and I really like it, and that's the one I have on right now, the Modern Renaissance. So this would be nice to switch it up a bit and have two, because they are quite similar but different. There is quite a few shimmers there, and the shimmers are lovely. And if you don't have like a high-end palette, or if you don't have a Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and you're looking for a palette that you would use for years, I don't know about the Soft Glam, but Modern Renaissance has, I bought it last year in my mega haul, and I've been using it ever since, and I don't get tired of it. And I'm usually very skeptical of makeup. Like, if I don't like a palette, I will throw it away, like I'm not gonna use it. In my videos for the year ahead, I'll be using this palette more, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the stuff I got from Beauty Bay. And I also bought the Asos advent calendar. There is loads of advent calendars online. I don't even know if I should open it or not. I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna put it under a Christmas tree. I'm sorry, this is like a video of me saying like, this is the advent calendar, but you can't get to see it. There's so many Asos advent calendar videos, so there's no point me opening, because you probably already know what's in it. But I just wanted to include it just to show you, like, there it is. But my idea is that I will have a tree and I will put it underneath and I'll open it day by day. Like, probably the only person who's bought an beauty advent calendar who's gonna wait every day in December to open every door. The only person in the world. But if you are gonna do the same, let me know. Maybe we could start a trend to actually use the advent calendar the way it's intended to be used. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm not going to show you what's in there, but I'm just going to show you, like, if you want to go and watch it, go somewhere else. Or I might make a video. Let me know if you would like me to show you what's inside, and I could make a video at the end of December. Okay, so this is my massive, I don't know how massive it is. Do you think it was massive? So now I can go and try all this stuff out and put it all on my face before the day ends. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if it was useful for you. If not, I'm sorry. And I'll see you soon.